tight, finger tight, finger tight, finger tight. Well, here the steering wheel's crooked and just drove terrible. Let's get my truck back from Gator Volvo in Cedar Rapids, Iowa. And there's probably 10 things wrong with this truck. You got to go follow around behind these guys and fix their stuff they screwed up or just plain lied about, because there is no way that they took this truck for a test drive after putting the parts on and come back from the alignment shop with this thing steering the way it did. It felt like it was going in two directions at once. The steering wheel was crooked. They just absolutely lied about taking it to the alignment shop. Must have had every one of their flunkies working on this truck. I get here, all these are loose, finger tight. So naturally the truck don't start. Finger tight, finger tight, finger tight, finger tight. Way to go, Gator. Yeah, Gator, you forgot to check the Wibasso heater that you screwed up. Push that plastic down right there so it rubbed on the fan. Screwed that up. Then you get over here to the fuel tank. They replaced the fuel tank, but then God forbid they would open up the valves for it. Well, this is another thing they screwed up. They put the wrong weight rating tire on there. This is too light of duty, and it should have been this one where it's rated for 7,160 pounds. So we got those changed out, and this is, you can see where it was rubbing on the frame from the accident and going down the road sideways. So we changed it out. They put used parts back on that were dragging in the dirt. Then you notice this nut was loose. This was about 3,000 miles. And the steering box was about ready to fall off. It was that loose. So I got as tight as I could with the vice grips I had with me, and I got to the lugs and put an impact on it and put some Loctite on the threads. Right here you can see the Loctite, and I put a mark on there to make sure it wouldn't, I could tell if it moved or not. So I'm just not happy with Gator in Cedar Rapids,